Welcome to a Steam tutorial on how to level up your Steam account. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is head over into the point shop in your store. And then whenever you buy games, it actually gives you these things called points. And then you can actually go to the seasonal badges. Here, if I go into the point shop and then the seasonal badges, you can actually just use your points on these seasonal badges to go ahead and level up your account. So whenever you get them, it just adds this many like levels to your account. So which increases your Steam XP level, which is what it says right here. So if I were to view my profile, I would see that I leveled up a little bit like so. And then there's a couple other things that you can do to level up. I believe like just playing the game, but I don't think that levels you up that fast. This is going to be essentially the best way to do it. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. But other than that, though, it's been a Steam tutorial. Thank you.